subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to share my videos to your friends. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Possible with Prakhya. I'm Prakhya and I'm going to show you one simple fun experiment. For this experiment you need vinegar, a glass or a bottle, balloon, funnel and baking soda. So what you should do is pour some vinegar into the bottle. Inside the balloon you should pour baking soda using the funnel, and inside the bottle you should pour vinegar. Let's do it outside. So this is acid. This vinegar is acid. Now close the cap of the bottle and put it aside. Make sure your funnel is dry and doesn't have vinegar on it. Now take the balloon Okay, thank you guys. So let us now see another experiment. So guys, let's do one more experiment. For this experiment, you need a balloon, a skewer. So let's begin the experiment. So the balloon is like this, and I'm going to push the skewer through the balloon. Oops. I hope it doesn't burst. Can you see that? Can you just people see that? Okay, there is coming like me. But can you see that inside? I'm going to push it literally fully inside. Pricking through the neck of the balloon and top of the balloon prevents blasting because the entire area of the balloon is stressed out, but only this top part and the neck of the balloon is not stressed. The tension is less at the top of the balloon and at the neck of the balloon.